Good day, everyone. So, this is our second attempt to look for an engineer that has an experience in this. So, our engineer is a professor here in the University of Manila. And for now, we are waiting for him in order for us to have an interview with him.
So, ayan, interview na namin yung interview namin. Ano ba, para ako sa interview? Interview, yung nag-emendahan niya.
Sabi sa akin, hindi ko
Tinablo ko gano'n? Para akong makita yun.
So, iba yung pasok, pero
Talaga? Dali mo na lang. Nalibig na. Meron na may reference na pinikita. Dali po dito. Ito sir. Picture. So, safety engineer.